Assalamualaikum mga kabangsamoro. Ako po si Attorney Magasuga B. Dandamon. Isa po akong Legislative Staff Officer ni MP Ubayda Pakasem. At yun nga po, ang tatalakayin po natin ay yung Bangsamoro Electoral Code. So ang tanong nyo po, Sir Doc, is yung composition ng Parliament.
Opo, opo.
Okay. So, itong composition po ng Parliament ay binubuo po siya ng 80 members of the Parliament. So, sa 80 members of the Parliament, 50% dito ay party representative, which is 40 MPs. Yung 40% naman nito ay district representative, which is 32 MPs. And yung the rest, which is 10% ng members of the parliament, ay 8 MPs. Sila po yung sectoral representatives. So meron po tayong party representatives, district representatives, and sectoral representatives. Yan po yung bumubuo ng Bangsamoro Parliament.
Okay, ito po yung gagawin ngayon or pareho lang po doon sa dati?
Pareha po yung composition pero magkaiba po kung paano sila nailuklok.
Opo.
Kasi itong current na BTA Parliament, sila po ay appointed.
Okay.
Hindi po sila elected.
Okay.
So pagdating ng election, yan po yung masabi natin na 80 members of the Parliament na elected. Kasi yung pinagkaiba, yung ngayon na current MPs natin, ay sila po ay part ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority Parliament or BTA Parliament.
Okay.
And then sa pagdating ng election, syempre mawala na po yung Transition Authority kasi may expiration po yan, may term po yan.
Okay, so